It is the second morning. We are in Vegas. This is the view from, or not the second morning, but the second day. I was looking for our new car, but we couldn't find it. So we are packing and getting ready to head home because our girls have
basketball
and not soccer, softball today. So hopefully we're gonna be home in time for all that jazz. We just had breakfast at the buffet at the Luxor, and it was comped. It was awesome. If you don't play the game My Vegas Slots, you are missing out on some really good deals. And we only know that because we come here all the time. Are you checking out on the TV? Nice. But anyways, I had an omelet, and that was basically all I had, so it technically would have been a $17 omelet if it wouldn't have been comped. So Scott, on the other hand, had massive amounts of plates. They were good too. Let's go get my car. It's a pretty day to drive, honey.
Hi guys, good morning.
Morning.
Can I go a few directions to the highway or a gas station or anything?
Thank you. Are you gonna do it?
Oh yeah.
So you know you don't hit it by accident?
The whole time it goes all the way down?
Yeah. Okay.
Was it on?
Yeah. Yes. Dear Jesus, please let us get to the gas station. Oh, and look. She's got a what kind of hat on? Oh, is it a Mustang hat? Isn't that convenient?
This is the way, right?
Yes, dear.
This is so fun.
My God, this reminds me.
Why aren't you singing anymore?
When we were young.
This is so
Let me
cool.
photograph you in this light in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before.
Oh, get her down.
What do you think? Get down, Angel! Do you like it?